The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over West Bend, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Mequon, Grafton, Shade Harbor, Port Washington, Jackson, Soapville, Kewaskum, Thiensville, Belgium, Fredonia, Newburgh, Fillmore, Boltonville, Harrington Beach, St. Park, and Wauweka. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. This is the NOAA Weather